over 4 lakh passengers taking to the skies yesterday, that is on the 11th of December. Sonia is here to tell us more. Sonia, very strong numbers.
Well, amidst all the chaos that you're seeing at the airports, both in Delhi and in Mumbai, the data that's coming through also indicates that the air traffic is very strong. And as you rightly pointed out, this is an all-time high, at least compared to pre-COVID levels, compared to 2019. This is the highest that we're seeing on a per-day basis. The domestic air traffic, as per the Ministry of Civil Aviation website, on the 11th of December has hit a level of 4.27 lakh passengers in a single day. And the load factors across the board have increased substantially. So if you look at it, all airlines clocked in passenger load factors of over 90%, with Air India the highest at 96.6%, Indigo at 90.7%, SpiceJet at 95.2%, and Vistara and Go First at 93 to 95%. Now, a lot of the aviation stocks have also been rising, one because of increasing passenger traffic, two because of ticket fares have been on the surge, and operationally the lower crude prices will definitely benefit them. This will result in lower ATF prices. If you remember, crude is down $20 per barrel in the last 1 month itself. So these are a couple of factors that are, the reasons why the aviation stocks are doing well. In fact, Interglobe Aviation, if you map the chart of the last month, actually from the month of June, if you look at it, Interglobe Aviation has risen 26% from the June lows, purely because of these factors. Overall, if you look at on a month-on-month trend, the latest data that we have for the month of October and November indicates that the passenger traffic, even on a month-on-month basis, has improved substantially. Back to you.
All right, Sonia, thanks a lot for getting us all of those numbers. So clearly, with the festive season, we're seeing a big pickup in the air traffic numbers. But unfortunately, the pickup in air traffic is also leading to trouble and congestion at a lot of airports, and especially at the Delhi airport, which has seen some chaotic scenes over the last few days. We have been talking about it here on the channel as well. So taking cognizance of the inconvenience caused to passengers, Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia visited the airport to take stock of the situation, and CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh caught up with the minister after his visit to really understand what can be done to ease the situation. Listen in.
I had taken a meeting last week to make sure that we ease off the congestion at our airports. I've made a physical visit today. These are not steps that have been announced by government alone. I have taken close to a 2-hour meeting with all stakeholders in the aviation ecosystem. We've actually done a full process study in terms of where the bottlenecks are occurring. How do we ease up those bottlenecks? I've also mandated that we need to be able to put up boards across every gate that talks about the wait time at every single gate. I've also told the airport operator to make sure that we have usherers in place that can direct passengers. The greater the adoption of DigiYatra, I think it will facilitate in many ways all the crowds that we see both at the entry point as well as the security check-in. I have then mandated the airport operator to make sure that certain areas are freed up so that we can have an additional 3 ATRSs or normal systems in place. CISF has put in the requisite amount of staff as we have increased our capacity from the current 13 to today's capacity of 16.
All right, so hopefully with all of these processes put in place, the congestion that we are seeing at some of these larger airports, Delhi, Mumbai, will ease, in the coming few days. But with that, let's move on and get you excerpts of an exclusive chat that my colleague Ritu Singh had with Nandan Nilekani, the non-executive chairman of Infosys, on the entire startup space in India and also his thoughts on the central bank digital currency. Listen in.